Hello dear students, welcome to your science class. As we all know that we are studying about the third chapter, that is nutrition in animals. And in nutrition in animals, 5 major steps has been involved. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So let us study about that organism, types of organs depending on number of cells. So there are two types, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms are those which are made up of only one cell like amoeba, paramecium, and multicellular organisms that which are made up of many cells. They are known as multicellular organisms like humans and ruminants. We have studied about nutrition in animals, nutrition in ruminants, nutrition in humans. Today we will study about nutrition in amoeba, which is a unicellular organism. It means it is a single celled organism which are found in ponds. It is irregular in shape, means it is not having a fixed shape. And as you all know, each and every organism for growth and maintenance depend on foods. So for food, it depends on small microorganisms like bacteria, minute algae, etc. It means it depends on the small, as you all know, amoeba is a single celled organism. It can't have the food like us. So it depends on small microorganisms, means which we can't see. The organs which we can't see with our naked eye, they are known as microorganisms. And all the 5 steps has been involved in the nutrition in amoeba also. Like the first step is ingestion. In ingestion, food is taken from any place of its body by means of projecting structures called pseudopodia. Like you all know, if we have to inject the food, if we have to take the food, we take it with the hand and enter it with the help of the mouth. But in ingestion, they are not having a distinct organ. It means it is not having a fix, like we are having a mouth or a buccal cavity, it is not having. So it has been taken inside by the means of projecting structure, which is called as pseudopodia. Now what is pseudopodia? Pseudo word resembles to false and podia resembles to feet. It means false feet. So if you will see in the next figure, you can see this is the diagram of amoeba. If you will see, it is not having a fixed shape. It means the shape just changes. And as soon as, if you will see this food which is blue in color, which comes near the mouth, it will start projecting the structure, and this projecting structure is known as pseudopodia. So where the food has been ingested, this is the amoeba structure. The ingestion of food takes place. As soon as the ingestion of food takes place, you will see that it forms here. This is known as a food vacuole, and with the help of a lot of enzymes, the digestion of food takes place. As soon as the food has been digested, it has been absorbed in the body, and then after absorption of nutrients takes place, it has been circulated for the survival of organisms, and that process is known as assimilation. As soon as ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation process takes place, the undigested food material, or you can say the unwanted food material, has been excreted out, and this process is known as egestion. So in the similar way, if you will see in nutrition in amoeba, the 5 steps has been involved. The first is ingestion, which takes place with the help of projecting structure, that is known as pseudopodia. Second, with the help of digestive juices, digestion process takes place. As soon as the food has been digested, it is absorbed in the cytoplasm, and the undigested, after the food has digested, food has been absorbed, it has been circulated in the whole body, that is known as assimilation, and the undigested food material is removed from the body at any point through a temporary vacuole, which you have seen here, that there is a temporary vacuole which is, and with the help of this temporary vacuole, the undigested food material has been excreted out. So this is how the nutrition takes places. Amoeba try to go through each and every point. Hope you all have understand.